everyone, and welcome back to Gardening with Shelly. Today I thought we'd do something different. I just came back from the dollar store and I found all these great finds and I just wanted to share them to you real quick. So let's get to it. So this is some of the things that I found. Now these are really cool. These are self bottom feeder planters with the cells. So these are great. So it has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 individual cells, and once you finish planting them, they come with the dome. Now they are at Dollarama. I'm not sure if it's only in Canada that we have Dollarama here, but here in Canada they're $2.50 at some dollar stores and $4.50 at others. So you got to kind of look. Another kind of neat thing that I found is plant protectors for when we get them outside. So a package of 5 is $2.50. These are really cool. So if you're afraid of frost or whatnot, help your plants grow a bit more. I use them for my dahlias. Now this is some really cool stuff. Refill pellets for Jiffy pellet refills. So there's 36 pellets in a small box and it's $2.50. I thought it was kind of cool. Thought you guys might like to look at that. Cheap way of doing it, especially for gardeners that are just starting. Roll out lettuce. I always wanted to try these. I've seen them in the store a few times. And it's $3 for 500 seeds. You just roll it out on the dirt, cover it lightly, and saturate with water. Germinates only in days, provides nutrients to food. Yeah. And it's 5 feet long, it says. It's kind of cool. So I picked up 2 of them. Can't go wrong. This is kind of cool. Wildflower mix. I used these last year in my shade garden and they came up really good. For $2, there's over 1,000 feet and it covers 107 square feet. Not bad. For $2, can't go wrong. Now if you need pots, I already used some of these, but they came in a package of 10 and they were $1.50. This is a package of 2, 4, 5 for $1.75. And they have the holes at the bottom. For some of the pots I find at the dollar stores, you have to look and see if there's holes in the bottom for bottom watering. Now this is kind of cool. They have these planters. Now this does not have a hole in the bottom. I already looked. So it's easy grow eggplant. They also have them for tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, strawberries, basil, oregano, and I think chives. I wanted to try a couple of them, so I grabbed a cucumber, a tomato, and an eggplant just to try them. Let's open this up. So they come with one of the coconut husks that you have to put water in and refill. Let it soak it up and fill up. And then an individual package of seeds. That's cool, kind of cool. We'll try those today. Now this is what every gardener needs. It's a pressure sprayer to water your plants without harming them, especially when they're new seedlings. I paid $3 for that. Not bad at all. Package of 50 tags, $2. Not bad at all. They have this all-purpose soil. Show you for starting seeds, and that's $2.50. That's a pretty good deal. I would recommend though putting your own fertilizer in it. And they have, this is where I got my watering cans from. The big spray, that was $2.50. So I'll show you the bottom waterer with the dome. I planted some plants. They haven't germinated yet. I just did them yesterday. So that's what it looks like when it's done. Oh, my tag is sticking in there. There you go. They also have refill direct sow, and they are $3.50 for a package of 10. I got all of these pots. Each one, plus with the bottom, was $2. Great deal. And now they're starting to bring in their baskets as well. These are not from the dollar store, but when I was there today, they had quite a few. So not bad at all. Dollar store is getting there. So I'll just put you down. So yeah, that's my haul from the dollar store. So if you're new to gardening, don't be afraid to just go to the dollar store. They got great stuff to start you out, and you'll not feel the pinch of the wallet, you know what I mean? Because things now these days are very expensive. So go to your local dollar store, see what they have, and happy gardening. Thanks for joining me. Bye now.